Hello friends, today we will talk about Green Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Its rank is 2981. Around 1000 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is greenshiba.org and this is its price $0.001307 and BTC is 7.43% down, ETH is 6.31% down and low price is $0.001383. High price is $0.001694 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain and this is coin address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 76k green Shiba Inu coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it. And its total supply is 1 billion GINUX coin. After that we will open its website and click on greenshiba.org. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like about, tokenomics, donate, FAQ, blog, how to buy. Green Shiba Inu, welcome to the GINUX, make the world greener with memes, how to buy and buy on GINUX. About Green Shiba Inu, prelude, many Doge meme coin have been launched after Dogecoin like Shiba Inu and Akita, but none of them have had the power to be eco-friendly and to protect the environment by supporting the main activists in the field as well as the good causes that matter the most of us all through its strong green community. A wise man by the name of Elon once said, who control meme and control the universe, we will be happy enough to make the world greener with the power of the memes. And this is tokenomics. 40% of supply from liquidity pool available to buy and distributed to holder. 0.1% from initial LP was burned. 37.5% of supply reserved for future burning. 8% of supply logged as a goodwill offering for notorious environmental activists and 7.5% of supply burned following roadmap token burning events and 5% of supply reserved for farming campaigning and 2% of supply for marketing purpose. And this is contract address, token symbol GINUX and token burned 450 billion, 8% rewarded, up to 8% redistributed to holder for every transaction made in GINUX and total initial supply 10 trillion, holders 9500, market cap is 113 million. BSC ecosystem, the Green Shiba Inu is a token on Binance Smart Chain which aims at setting up a carbon nature economy with a sustainable crypto development, thus reducing the emission and subsequent carbon footprint that stems from mining. Facts: fair launch, 90% of total supply was given as liquidity, 8% reserved for the most important environment activist logged for 12 months since inception and a 2% is for marketing. No allocation for team, no rug possible. The whole liquidity is logged in PancakeSwap and BakerySwap and the ownership of the control has been sent to the burn address. Market and adoption, since there is no pre-sale or early big wallet, everyone has buy in the open market, ensuring a fair and complete distribution. 100% decentralized, GINUX is community driven, managed by volunteers. Earnings, holder earn passive income reward up to 8% through dynamic instant reflection, no need stake, anyone earn by holding. Token burned and buyback, 7.6 billion GINUX from the LP have burned and LP funds are used to buy back GINUX from the market. And FAQ,